So we are here at the Kalima Hotel in Thailand, Khao Lak, and at this hotel they have a wonderful bar near to the beach called the Gin Bar. Okay, which is just around here. Mummy's there sat at the bar looking beautiful. Okay, the Gin Bar. Now, they do all sorts of wonderful gin cocktails here. And they do a happy hour. It's 3 for 2 on the happy hour. Buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, for 290 baht. We've got quite a few.
Between 2 and 4 p.m.
Yeah, between 2 and 4. But anyway, it's also a Japanese restaurant. And they do all sorts of sushi, Japanese steaks, all sorts. And it's a very, very beautiful little restaurant in here. And it's got this lovely, lovely tree just outside. So the restaurant would be nice. I'm going to have a look. Can we open the door? I'm going to be naughty and go in. Okay, oh, it's lovely in here. So they make sushi there while you wait. Okay. Right, make it right in front of you. Very beautiful. Oh, it's nice and air conditioned. This hotel sits on the river, just from the sea. And you can see those views out there. We will do a full tour at some point. But what I'm really excited to show you is this, okay? So it's what we're going to try tonight. And it is, as we reveal it around the corner, a teppanyaki experience, okay? So we're all set up. There's for Alfie, Mummy and myself, and we're here and we're going to have a teriyaki experience very, very shortly. And you can see there's nobody else here. We are in the low season at the moment. Low season at the hotel, and it's very, very quiet, which is fantastic. We love it a bit like this. We look at it, and the staff are just absolutely amazing. But yeah, there we go. We'll show you a few more bits of the teppanyaki very, very shortly. And Alfie is out there somewhere. Who knows? It's so quiet. We love it. Welcome to the rainy season. It's actually not raining right now, but it has been all day. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Go again.
Welcome to Kin Teppanyaki. My name is Chef Tay. I will be your chef tonight. May I repeat your order? Side this, Kin, broccoli, zucchini, mushroom, capsicum, Kalima.
Scallops and pork.
Pork shoulder, apple sauce.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. Can I show for you 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Boy, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1, there we go. Yeah. Oh. Oh, wait, sorry. Again.
Again.
Ninja show. Ninja.
Yeah. Japanese ninja.
Helicopter. Yeah. Okay.
Woo!
Very good.
Yay!
We can fool. I said fire show.
Yeah.
I'm not. I could. You sing it? Oh, okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Yay! Oh.
Did you like that? You coming round?
Go on, round, go on, Alfie.
Okay. What?
So you spray that on Alfie.
Sorry. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go. Yay! Put your eyebrows, Alfie.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yay! It's amazing. Hey.
Enjoy, Kagoshima.
Ah, thank you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Before you dive in here.
Bingung ya? Okay, scallop coated with lemon butter.
Fantastic, thank you.